Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do some sections. Quite straightforward. Go to the top here, it says section. Going to click and draw that section like that. Then make sure this is on building section, so it displays that tab for us. All this means here is the extent to where you want to see. So you're taking a section here, but you're seeing everything in the background. If I right click on the section and I say go to view, this is what it's going to give me. So now you can see this lift shaft wall in the background. There it is there. So if I go and I say no, but I don't want to see that, click on this again, you can move it back to maybe there just to see the foundations, just to give you an example. Go to section again. I can see this is not there anymore. You're still seeing the foundations that you are cutting through, and that is how you actually indicate your sections. Then from here you can go and you can change your scale to any scale that you would like, or you can do your custom scale, but most of these scales are being used. Once you change that, just want to show you, let's say I do some dimensioning like this, and then maybe something like that. Now what's great about this is already done the hard work, but now I want it to be in a scale of 1 to 200. You can see it updates all the dimensions, sizes, and level sizes. If I do it to 1 to 100, same thing. So this is quite a handy tool. You can just always make sure your detail level is set to fine. Then here you can also just go and change shaded, maybe texture, realistic. All depends on what you would like to see. Then you can also, in this properties tab, once you have the section open, you can change it's called the far clip offset. That is basically, if I click on this, that's this far clip offset. If you click on it, it appears here again. You can go and change this to 5 meters. There it updates that. If I go back to section 1, see it's updated. And here you can, let's just make it 1 meter. There you've updated your section extents. So that is how you do that. Then that is actually the most I can show you with regards to sections for the moment. So I'll see you guys in the next video.